Good morning. This morning we're talking about cosmetic surgery, and we're specifically talking about face lifting, laser face and neck lifting with Dr. Carey Nease. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
This is a technique that you basically have designed and come up with, and it does what exactly?
Well, the idea behind a laser facelift is minimizing downtime, minimizing scarring, and improving results.
And normally when we think about facelifts, we think about the fact that there is some scarring, and a lot of times it's very visible.
Right. A visible scarring and a pulled or a plastic look, which most women come in to see me, and some men as well, and they say, "Doc, I don't want that look." I don't.
No.
I've seen the magazines. I saw someone on TV last night, a celebrity, whatever. They look terrible. What can you do to get me looking younger, but not pulled or windswept?
And that's what this does.
Well, the new technique, we've been doing a technique with a single laser for facelifts for the last 18 months. And it's gaining popularity around the country among facial cosmetic surgeons. And really, again, the goal is minimizing downtime and using technology, using the laser to do most of the work. And when we do that, we can minimize scarring to the point where incisions are much, much smaller than traditionally, and so they can be well hidden.
Now, how long are we going to be at home before we're feeling fine?
Well, with the traditional facelift, it could be anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks.
Right.
With the laser facelift that we've been doing for the last year and a half or so, it could be as little as 7 days.
Oh, that's nice.
But we have a new technique as well that actually employs 2 lasers. One's the YAG laser, which we've been using for the last year or so, in combination now with what's called a fractionated CO2 laser. So the combination of 2 lasers not only gives us the ability to do a better, quicker facelift with less scarring, but potentially with little to no scarring. And you also get improvements in overall tone and texture of the skin, decrease in sun damage, and overall tightening, lifted look without being a pulled or a plastic look. So it's a natural, youthful facial rejuvenation with less downtime, meaning potentially as low as 4 to 5 days. But results as good as what was done in the past with 3 to 6 weeks of recovery.
What about pain?
Very little to none, as a matter of fact.
Wow, that's kind
Rarely
of nice.
get that complaint.
So you're getting a good response back from your patients with this as well.
With the new technique with the laser facelift, that again we're doing about a year and a half, very, very good. I've had very happy patients, and again downtime is minimal. The new technique with doing using 2 lasers actually is not really known yet. This is something that actually is being revealed today, essentially. What I'm actually doing is a study in conjunction with several other surgeons from around the country. We're actually meeting in California next week to discuss it. We are looking at doing a study using the 2 lasers that I mentioned. Again, that technique has not been described that I know of. So we're enrolling patients. Call my phone number and we'll list it, and also on our website there will be information about the study if you're interested.
Okay.
It's going to target women in about 40 to 50 years old.
Okay.
So 40 up to maybe early 50s.
Good health.
Got to be healthy, non-smoker, and come in and see me to see if you actually qualify.
Never had a facelift before?
Correct. Never. Right. Exactly.
All right. If you're interested in the study, and this is this new technique, laser, 2 lasers for your facelift, go ahead and give Dr. Carey Nease a call. The number to call is 266-3331, or go to southernsurgicalarts.com. Again, you need to be between 40 and 50 years old, in good health, and have never had a facelift before. If you're interested in finding out more information about this study, call him at 266-3331. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Stay with us. We're going to take a short break and be back. We're watching WDEF News 12 this morning. For more information on Dr. Nease, it's at our website, WDEF.com.